everybody, welcome back to the next video here. Today we are on the bow of the ship here and we have a big repair job. I've got my tools over here and we're on the forward mooring winches, and the clutch here where it gets disengaged and engaged through this handle has been snapped off right here. There's a couple bolts on the inside here that have been sheared off, and I'm hoping they're stainless steel bolts. I'm gonna have to get them out. I'm gonna have to drill them and tap them or easy out or something like that to remove them, and hopefully we can get this fixed here. So we're gonna take a look and see what we need to do and get started. All right, so I don't know if you can see here, this bolt here has been totally sheared off. This one is still intact, which is a good thing. So this one will have to be totally removed, and the broken part inside of this piece of metal. And a hole will have to be drilled in it, an easy out will have to be tapped in, and then try to extract it, which may or may not be very difficult because limited space here to work with. But I've got my tools and we're just gonna try to see what we can do here. Worst case scenario, I'll have to put it in position and weld it. So wish us luck here. Okay, so what I'm using here is a 3/4 inch drive tool because I was anticipating possibly hard and rusted, but I believe it might be stainless. So we have maybe some luck. I'm able to turn it to get this bolt here out, and then we can try to work on the one that's broken off inside. Hopefully get it out. And as always, it's always good when you go to turn something and you find that it's not too hard to turn. As you can see, it's turning right here, which makes me think that it is stainless hardware, which is a blessing in disguise. So we're gonna try to extract this and then we'll take a look at it. All right, so now I'm to the point where I can do it with a smaller, this is a 19 millimeter. And I'm gonna try to get the rest of it out. We're almost there, so we're gonna pop this off. Okay, so step one, successful. This whole piece here has been taken off, and I've got it secured up here. This is actually the brake, how to take the brake on and off for the mooring winch here. And I got it secured so that it won't be the weight on these hydraulic lines, because we don't want that. So, all right, so inside here, the bolt that's sheared off is right here. So I have to get inside with the drill, and I have a center punch. I'm gonna try first. I'll try to center punch a little hole and use my drill. That'll keep the drill from wobbling around. And then I got a couple of different size easy outs, which we will tap in at the end after the hole is drilled, and try to turn it and extract it. So there's another look at it. It's the bolt on the top that got ripped off. So that actually might benefit us a little bit as far as trying to get it out, give us a little bit of extra room. So we're gonna try to tap it now and get a hole drilled in it. And today, guys, what we are here is off the coast of England. So a special shout out to everybody out there in England watching this video. Cheers to all you guys, and thanks for watching, and we're enjoying the view here. It's a beautiful day. September 11th. Okay, so the drill's in place here. Okay, so this is good because the drill is obviously sharp, and that's what I was hoping for. Got a nice sharp drill bit, and we're gonna just go right in here. We're gonna drill a hole right in there, and then we'll tap that easy out in there, and we'll try to get this out. And if we can do that successfully, that's the hard part. Then we'll put a new bolts in and get this thing remounted. All right, guys, so it's going good so far. I gotta head back to the shop real quick. I forgot one tool, maybe an adjustable spanner, so that when I get the easy out in, I can actually turn it. Totally forgot that. So I'm gonna go back to the shop real quick and get it, and it's drilling through pretty good. So we might have some luck here. Hopefully we'll have a good end to this job here. But I'm enjoying this beautiful weather out here, and I'm not complaining about that, that's for sure. So I'm gonna go get this tool real quick and then we'll continue. Okay, so I've drilled all the way through, which I thought was gonna be really, really hard. Wasn't too bad. It's a slight angle because this was in the way, so I had to do that. I'm just gonna tap that in. Then we're gonna try to turn it out with, I got the adjustable spanner that I went and got a second ago. Right here. Okay. See if we get a good grip here. If not, we'll just get a different size. But I tapped in there pretty deep. So I need both hands, so we'll see if we can get this out. Okay, so we got the piece back here. It was starting to get a little windy and I thought it was going to rain, so I was trying to hurry. Got the bolts back in. Got the old one out. And we'll take a look at the other side here real quick. I don't know if you can see. It's right there. So I'm going to finish tightening these bolts down. Then I want to adjust this here. This has a little wobble in it. Totally separate issue. But it's gonna, when I get done tightening this, it's going to go in here. It rides in this slot, and that's how you disengage and engage the winch. So I want to get it so it's not much play like that. It'll make it a little better so it doesn't move around. And then we'll call it finished here. So I'm going to finish tightening these bolts up real quick. And then we'll be about done. Okay guys, so the arm up there that has the pin right here, which I've already cut off, and that goes into the slot on the wheel that engages and disengages to either turn or not turn the winch. However, this was too short. It never goes in there, and it never did. So what I've done, I've cut that off and smoothed this out a little bit. I made the bottom side flat so it can sit on here. And I'm gonna put this on. I'll weld this on, it'll be longer. So we'll kill two birds with one stone here. We'll get two jobs done, make it nicer. So I cut that, we're gonna weld it on, and we'll probably put this in tomorrow because it's evening time right now, and I'm not gonna go up there. So we'll do it tomorrow and we'll put it in and everything will be good. Okay, so I came back up forward tonight after all. I thought it was gonna be dark because we did one clock change already and we're heading west. But we got plenty of sunlight here. So I got this longer, and there's a mounting hole right here, which will go right here. And the pin fit in here. However, like I said, the last one wasn't fitting deep enough in there. So hopefully this one will work the first time without having to adjust it. And then that'll solve that problem. And we've already taken care of this problem. So this one will be all good to operate, make everything a whole lot easier. So let's take a look and see if it sizes up right. Okay guys, so we have it mounted in here now. It's bolted in on both sides. So it appears to be working just fine. Alright, so everything looks good. Engage, disengage. No problem. This used to pop out all the time before, but now it's not popping out, so I think we're good. So we'll call that good. Okay, so we're gonna call that a night. Everything looks good, it's working, functioning, whereas it wasn't before. And I think it'll be much better for people operating that now. So we're just gonna go clean up a little bit and we're gonna call it a day. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I hope you do so. And we will definitely see you on the next video.